Hi YouTube friends, it's Victoria from Victoria Makes, and today we're doing dry roasted nuts in a hot pan with a little bit of spice. Ideal for your party season or guests when they're just having a few cocktails or drinks and a few nibbles. Quick and easy to do, so let's get started. For this recipe you'll need bags of nuts, hazelnuts, walnuts, grizzle nuts, nuts of your choice, pistachio nuts are great as well. And all you need to do is get your packets of nuts and put them in a super hot pan and then add the spice. You can use sea salt and paprika or cayenne pepper and sea salt, but what I use is sumac and ras hanout, which is a North African and Middle Eastern spice. Okay, so if you want it spicy, you can use chili flakes in it as well, but be very careful because obviously the spices can burn in the pan with it being really extra hot, so always add those at the end. Just actually put your nuts in first, get your pan really hot, add a little bit of salt and then put your spices near enough at the end. Right then, so what we're going to do is get the nuts into the pan. We're going to start dry roasting them, and that will release all the lovely nutty flavour and the oils from the nuts. You need to get your pan really hot, so it's very important to get a good solid heavy pan. Cast iron is a really good one. If you haven't got a very heavy pan, be very careful because obviously the nuts can easily burn. Just keep gently stirring them around. It doesn't take long until the oils are released from the nuts. Put a little bit of sea salt on as well. Once the nuts colour, that's the time to add a teaspoon of your flavouring. Getting a bit of brown colouring now on the bottom, and the smell, oh, it's smelling good now. So into the pot some ras hanout, which is a lovely blend of spices, which is sweet paprika and cumin, sea salt, coriander seed, chili flakes, fennel, black pepper, and just stir that around for a second or two, and basically then you are done. Just a couple of seconds so that the spice is toasted off as well. The smell is, oh, it's lovely. It's toasting all the flavours, and that is done. So I'm going to turn it off. Show you in a minute what it looks like. Decant it into your bowl and make sure you get that on the table for your guests when they come in. Mulled wine goes beautifully with the nuts and other little party snacks. Enjoy yourselves guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, see you again.